Hello, everybody. What are the requirements for Pollution Control Officer accreditation? This time, I would like to present the requirements for PCO accreditation pursuant to Section 8 of DAO 2014-02 or the accreditation of Pollution Control Officer. Also, we will be tackling the requirements for PCO accreditation for new application and renewal. The requirements for PCO accreditation for new application is the PCO online account, completing the profile, giving information on the basic personal details, the work experience, the educational background, the seminars attended, and other personal attachments, personal details. Another requirement for first-time application of PCO accreditation is resume. The resume shall contain 2x2 picture, white background, showing the current position, the duties and responsibilities, the employment history, and the resume is duly signed. Number 3 is the transcript of records or diploma. Number 4, the certificate of PCO training within the last 3 years issued by EMB recognized training institution. Number 5 is the certificate of margin head training equivalent to 8 hours within the last 3 years issued by EMB recognized training institution. Number 6, the signed and notarized affidavit of joint undertaking between the pollution control officer and the managing head. A letter of appointment or designation as a pollution control officer duly signed by the managing head. And if the establishment is a category B establishment, the applicant shall submit his or her valid PRC ID. And for those who are the owner, who are assuming the position of PCO at the same time managing head, they can submit their application through online through pco.emb.gov.ph, submit proof of company ownership or registration, the copy of a certificate of PCO training, the duly signed and notarized affidavit of undertaking, and the resume with 2x2 picture. And of course, this shall be submitted online and pay the corresponding application fee of 500 pesos. Some regional offices of EMB requires the submission of the copy of ECC or CNC, but it varies from region to region. Now, for renewal of the PCO accreditation, after 3 years, 30 days before expiration, the PCO shall apply for renewal in the same PCO online account in the online accreditation system. Submit the copy of the PCO accreditation certificate previously issued by the concerned EMB regional office, the signed appointment letter as PCO, the notarized affidavit of joint undertaking between the PCO and the managing head, and the proof of compliance to the requirements of major environmental laws. If there are notice of violation received during the course of the validity of the accreditation, the applicant, the PCO, shall submit additional requirements such as notarized affidavit of commitment. If there are other requirements deemed necessary as determined by the concerned EMB regional office, it shall be submitted by the concerned pollution control officer. So that's the requirements for PCO accreditation application pursuant to the requirements of Section 8 of DAO 2014-02 and other applicable issuances. If you want to learn more about environmental compliance, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you very much and have a good day.